Let's make salted European butter, rich, smooth, creamy, delicious in just 30 minutes time. I went shopping at natural grocers and I purchased the organic Alexandre 40% milk fat heavy cream. Pick out your favorite salt. For this batch, I'm going to be using kosher salt from the Mediterranean. It's good to have on hand salted butter and unsalted butter. All right, you're going to begin with a chilled bowl and your 40% milk fat heavy cream and your hand mixer. I also had a bowl with cold water resting in the refrigerator for afterwards to rinse, clean, and also mold and shape the butter. The cream is pretty thick, so I kept a butter knife handy so I can scrape the sides and the lid. I don't like to waste anything. Using the full fat is important when making European or French butter because you're gonna tell when your butter is a lot more yellow in color. It has a lot more rich and smooth and sweet taste to it. And just the taste alone is so exquisite. It's hard to ever go back to regular butter. For the hand mixer method, you're going to be consistent in mixing up the liquid through all of its changes. It'll take 15 minutes to make the solid butter using a rubber spatula to push down the butter as you go along, and then reserving the buttermilk for recipes for later on. Once you have the solids, you can put them in your cold water to rinse off and then place them in your jars or your containers so that you can pack it in or stir it up with your salt, as I did. And here you're going to have your finished product, beautiful European butter that tastes divine. Store it in your freezer or your refrigerator. Follow me for more, like and share, subscribe to my blog.